are the top 5 employers in Ocala, and what do they have to offer? Are you moving to Ocala and curious what your employment opportunities are? Well, I've got you covered. But before we start, I want to hear from you. If you could work anywhere, and I mean anywhere that you would want to in Ocala, where would that be? Is it going to be healthcare, manufacturing, equine, or maybe something entirely different? Drop a comment below and let me know. Coming in at number 5 is Custom Window Systems. Now, they employ about 800 people here in Ocala. They have been producing high-quality windows and doors for over 3 decades. Now, for their career highlights, if you enjoy manufacturing and assembly with hands-on work, there are plenty of opportunities in their production facility. They also have opportunities in logistics and distribution. CWS ships products across the Southeast, so they are always looking for skilled logistics professionals. They offer training programs and career advancement for those who want to grow with the company. If you are lucky enough to work at CWS, it means you get to be part of a company that values craftsmanship and quality. It is a great place to build a career, whether you're just starting out or looking for a change. Coming up at number 4, we have Closetmaid. Closetmaid is well known for home organization. They specialize in storage solutions that make life easier for the homeowner. With over 1,000 employees, they are a staple in the manufacturing scene. So what do they have to offer? First are creative roles. If you are into design, Closetmaid hires product developers and designers to create innovative storage systems. They have many manufacturing positions, from assembly line workers to warehouse managers. There are so many opportunities for hands-on roles. Now, if the corporate job is more your thing, Closetmaid has positions in sales, marketing, and human resources. Closetmaid is all about teamwork and innovation. Plus, who doesn't love working for a company that helps people organize their lives? I could definitely use some of their products in my closet. Coming in at number 3 is E1. If your career has you moving into the manufacturing world, E1 is the name you need to know. This company is the leader in fire apparatus manufacturing, producing the fire trucks that save lives across the globe. Based right here in Ocala, they employ around 1,500 people. Why would you want to work at E1? They have diverse roles, from engineers designing state-of-the-art trucks to assembly line workers and quality control specialists. E1 has something for everyone. They offer competitive pay with entry-level positions starting around $35,000 a year. And an experienced engineer can make around $75,000 a year. You also get to work with cutting-edge technology. E1 is at the forefront of innovation in fire safety, so you'll be working on products that truly make a difference. One of the coolest things about E1 is their commitment to quality. Every fire truck is meticulously crafted to meet safety standards, and employees take great pride in their work. So if you love the idea of building something meaningful, this could be your calling. Now, coming in at number 2 is AdventHealth Ocala. For those that don't know, AdventHealth Ocala, formerly Monroe Regional Medical Center, is Ocala's healthcare powerhouse. They have over 2,500 employees and a 421-bed hospital. This is the place if you're working in the medical field, and even if you're not. What are the good reasons to work here? Well, the first is they have diverse roles. While the doctors and the nurses are at the heart of any hospital, AdventHealth offers careers in administration, IT, marketing, and even facilities management. They also offer competitive pay. Registered nurses earn an average of about $73,000 per year, while the entry-level administrative roles start around $35,000. There are many growth opportunities as well. AdventHealth is known for its training programs, tuition reimbursement, and internal promotion, making it a great place to grow your career. And here's a fun fact. AdventHealth Ocala is part of a massive healthcare network. So once you're in, the opportunities across Florida and beyond are endless. Imagine getting to work someplace that truly invests in your professional and personal growth. Now, coming in at number 1, do you know what it is? Well, if you said Marion County Public Schools, you would be right. Marion Public County Schools is not only a pillar in our community, it is also the largest employer in Ocala. With over 7,000 employees, they shape the future truly one student at a time. And here's what they have to offer. They have teaching positions from everything from elementary all the way to high school. There is a strong demand for qualified teachers, especially in STEM and special education. Teachers in Marion County earn an average of $47,000 a year to $55,000 a year. Of course, that's going to depend on your experience and your certifications. There are also opportunities in support staff positions. This would be in the areas of bus drivers, maintenance workers, cafeteria staff, and administrative assistants. All of those things are strongly needed to keep things running smoothly. For those with experience, there are opportunities in leadership roles like principals, assistant principals, and department heads. One thing I hear that people love about working in education is the sense of community. And let's be real, having summers off, that's not so bad either. Plus, Marion County School System offers professional development programs. So if you are passionate about growing your career, this is a great place to start. With the top 5 employers in Ocala, you have everything from education to healthcare to manufacturing. There is something for everyone. So are any of these top 5 employers a surprise for you? If so, drop it in the comments below. And hey, while you're down there, would you hit the subscribe button? I have a goal to get to 10,000 subscribers. I know I'm not even at 1,000, so I've got a really long way to go, and your support would mean a lot to me. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.